Initially, this GBA file, Legend of Zelda, A Link to the Past, is loaded, and we have an empty save slot over here. Okay, so then if we turn this off, turn it back on, and then use the tool, which is the GBA backup tool. Below the GBA backup tool.nds. So we want to select target's cart to slot 2, A for OK. Now over here we have the save backup. We'll press A. Specified save file is updated. I have already saved it, so it is on the micro SD card on the R4 card already, so it's right over here. Next, I'll turn the device off again. The micro SD card is put into a USB card reader, inserted into the laptop. On the folder for computer, we have the GBA backup. We'll click on it, and then here is the Zelda save file. I created a new folder which has the save file as well as the GBA file for the Zelda game, and I'll load it up using GBA emulator. Loading this guy up, we have the following. Actually, yes, don't forget that the game file name and the save file name must match. So we'll try that again. And okay, so here we have it, where the middle save file is also empty. So this is on the emulator for the computer. Suppose now I want to erase this file that says Jess. I'll press yes. Okay, and I do want to erase that, so we'll press erase. Erasing data. Okay, now it is erased. The new save file is now back in the GBA backup folder for the R4 micro SD card folder. Now back on the DS. So once this has been loaded up again, we click on the right button and it will have save restore. Now this save file is the newly updated one where the username Jess was deleted. So then we will press A, restore data and card from this new save file. So we will press A. Okay, and A again to run it. Now that is done. We will boot up the game again. The game is now being booted up again, and hopefully there should be nothing for Jess. There we go, nothing right here. And this is how to transfer a save file from the GBA onto the R4 card, onto the computer, update something on the computer, let's say on an emulator, transfer that file, that new save file back onto the R4 card, and then that new save file from the R4 card onto the GBA cartridge. And that is how to do it.